Well, son of a gun, the windows are going in today, just like I thought. Yeah, they're working on the first one right there. And I was kind of curious what kind of windows they were going to use. And look, they even were able to match up the color. You see that? That's going to be the outside trim. It's going to match the trim over there. I like that. And they've already set the exterior edge all the way around. And then they're going to put those window pieces in, and they slide in one piece at a time. That's kind of cool. That way they don't have to install the whole thing as a one-piece unit. I like that. Now, not all windows are created equal.
Okay.
These are Marvin windows, and this is how they install these. Put in the top piece, slide it up in there, and then they're going to install the bottom piece. The bottom piece will slide. This one will be a fixed panel, I believe. Now, if you don't feel very comfortable thinking, hey, Joe, you're supposed to show us everything an average Joe can install. Well, if you don't think you can install windows, that's okay. You can get a window company to install your windows. Maybe you can pull out all the old windows yourself, put the plywood up, put the plastic up, kind of like I did, and save yourself a little bit of money prior to the glass company coming out and installing your windows. There's a tip for you. I like how they have the little grids on there. See, that's a metal clad window, and all the red is metal. It's not wood, but it's made to look kind of like these other windows here, see? So they had to order these, they had to special measure them and everything, so that they got everything as fairly close as possible for this. The bottom's going to be just a clear piece with trim around it. And see, that's what this one's going to look like. Nice. Energy saving windows, and that's about the only kind of window you can install nowadays, is a double hung window. Anything with the Energy Star on it is what you want.